How to use Telegram without phone number. Using or creating Telegram account without phone number is quite easy and simple. Just open any browser on your device and then tap on the web address bar and type for your 10th number and you will get the link as well as the website opens automatically when you type on it. When you scroll down, here you will get different kinds of numbers of different countries. You can easily choose any country's number. Suppose I choose here United Kingdom, tap on it, and now you have to go through this page. So let's open it for a while. And as you can see here, there are different numbers. You can easily try any number for using Telegram. So suppose let me tap on this number and after that you need to copy that particular number once it opens. Tap on the copy icon at the top right corner of the screen and the number has already been copied to your clipboard. Now get back to the Telegram application. Simply you need to launch it on your device. And after that, you will get into this kind of interface. Tap Start Messaging button. Here you can easily paste the particular number and tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. As soon as you tap on it, you will get the code and after that you can easily enter and create or use Telegram without phone number or your own phone number. By following this method, you can easily solve your issues. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.